I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today we're going to discuss a little bit on how to fix some chips in your electric range. The most common thing that causes chips is a pan knocking up against it or a spatula gouging into it. These are one of the easiest to fix. Go to your home improvement store or hardware store and you can actually get some paint to cover these up. A lot of times they're in the appliance center. You want to make sure that you get the colors as close as possible. If you have to, pick up a couple different kinds, come home and match them. Then you can take back the ones you don't use. First thing you want to do is go ahead and clean the surface to get all the grime and stuff off there caused by cooking. Now that you have a clean surface, go ahead and take your touch-up paint. This one comes in a brush. A couple of them actually come in like a marker tip. Put a little bit on the tip and just gently apply some pressure on there over top of the marks. Now remember, you don't want to overdo it with the paint because it will tend to leave a ridge. After applying, if there's a little bit of color variation and you pick the right color, don't worry. When it dries, it should match up a little bit better. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and thanks for watching.